Мы с ней летали во Флориде. Вот он же сказал, она сейчас пилот в Alaska Airlines на 737. Мелисса Пембертон. Ну, Пембертон до замужества. Очень хороший контактный человек.
Я не представляю, что там с ней происходит внутри.
Удовольствие получает.
She not only considers this her hometown air show, but she is so proud to be here with the help of some sponsors, those including Sarasota Avionics, Twin Aircraft Engines, Lightspeed Aviation Headsets, Aspen Avionics, Trig Radios and Transponders, Oregon Aero Cushions, and maintained by Childers Aviation in Palatka, Florida, of all places. She resides in Bellingham, Washington, but considers this space here in Alaska her hometown air show. You can see why. We're going to talk a lot more about Melissa here.
Что она вот делает? Она рулем
And you get to see the full show. I promise you, she's not even giving you just a peek under the tent right now of the adrenaline pumping. She's going to make your heart race later today. I promise you that. And you can follow Melissa on Instagram at Melissa's